Pack your bags, come along with me. We're going on an ABC, through the jungle, over the sea. Each letter brings a new discovery. Let's find the lead plane, soaring so high. B is for balloon, floating in the sky. C is for castle, big and tall. Come on friends, let's find them all. D is a dolphin splashing in the sea. E is an elephant waving at me. F is a firefly glowing so bright. Done! G is a giraffe reaching new heights. H is for helicopter spinning its blades. I is for ice cream melting in the shade. J is for jungle where monkeys swing. K is for kite on a windy spring. L is a lighthouse guiding the way. M is a mountain tall and gray. N is for nest where baby birds rest. O is an octopus doing its best. P is a pirate sailing the sea. Q is a queen drinking some tea. R is a rainbow after the rain. S is a star shining again. T is a train rolling down the track. U is an umbrella keeping us dry. V is a violin playing a tune. W is a whale swimming in the blue. X marks the spot on a treasure map.
Y is for yo-yo, spinning so fast.
Z is for zebra, running so free. We've learned the alphabet.
Yippee!
C, A to Z, what fun we've had.